समझू शकतात. Just wait a minute. See, so this is exercise 1.2 है ना. Question number second, and this is fourth, I think ना. Fourth. For second question of exercise 1.2. Okay, suppose this is the margin of your copy.
Okay.
First of all, here we will write the given one. Okay, that is the function. It is from n to n, means natural number, right? And the function is given by this is fx is equal to x cube, right? This is the function given. Okay, is it clear now? Or any doubt?
No doubts.
Okay, now let's see here. Let's see how we will do it. Okay,
Sir, the screen is gone.
अच्छा, okay, just wait a minute. Let's see here. First here we will do for injective. Okay, so here we will write for injective. Okay, is it clear? As here we will let two elements, let x1 x2 belongs to n. Okay, since the function is given ki fx is equal to x cube. Okay,
Okay.
so here we will let ki function of x1 is equal to function of x2. Okay, now what it will be x1. So for x it is x cube, so for x1 it will be x1 cube, and for x2 it will be x2 cube. All right, है ना? And this one we can write it like x1 cube minus x2 cube, right, is equal to 0, है ना? Now can you see here? Here we can apply a formula. Any idea which formula we can apply here?
A cube minus B cube.
Yes, good, है ना? A cube minus B cube. The formula is A minus B, है ना? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, right? This is the formula. So now here we will write in this form. So it will be A minus B means x1 minus x2. Okay.
So should it be
What?
so should it be A square minus AB plus B square?
A square
Minus AB, not plus AB.
how?
Because it would be like A minus B into
A minus B into
yeah. This is correct. Sir.
this
Yeah,
is the
I got
formula,
it.
na? Here applying the formula.
That's
Okay.
formula. Yeah.
Yes. There is
I
one
was
more
thinking.
formula you can find here कि A into A square, it will be A cube, है ना?
Yeah.
Plus A square B plus
Yeah.
AB square, then
Okay.
minus A square B. Okay, then plus minus AB square, and then plus minus B cube. So if we will go with that formula, then it will become with more complicated. Okay, because here we have to break down into factors, na?
Yeah.
So the two factors will be x1 minus x2, first factor, and the another one will be x1 square plus x1 into x2 plus x2 square. Is it clear? Is equal to 0. This will be 0. Okay now? Or any doubt?
No doubts.
Clear? Now
doubt.
we will solve it, okay? Just wait a minute. Now we will solve it. So this one we can solve it as here. This one can be solved as the first part will be x1 minus x2 is equal to 0, right? है ना? And the second part will be this will be the second part x1 is square plus x1 into x2 plus x2 square, right, is equal to 0. When here it will be x1 is equal to x2, this part, है ना? x1 is equal to x2. So therefore we can say that na function of x1 is equal to function of x2, right? This is the set of natural numbers na. Okay, is it clear? So that's why here we can say that x1 is equal to x2. Okay, therefore here we can say that it is injective. Okay, injective. Is it clear? And the second part will be, now we have to solve it. Okay, so what we will do, what we can do here, here we will try to solve it in a quadratic form, है ना, quadratic equation. Okay, so can we here do it like this, x1 square plus 2 into x1 into x2 by 2. Here I am multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. So the result will be same, right? है ना? Suppose if here it is 3, if I will multiply it by 2 and divide by 2, the result will be same na, 2 cancel and again it will become 3, right? है ना? So here I have multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. Okay, now plus, now as you can see here, x2 square, first we will add one more x2 square by 2 and then subtract x2 square by 2. The result will be same, right? If we are adding 2 and subtracting 2, then the result will be same na. Suppose 3 plus 2 minus 2, 2 0 and it will be again 3. So result will be same na. There will no effect in the result. So that's why.
Wait, sir, won't that be 1? Won't
What?
that be won't be, it won't be the same, sir, because you'll cancel both of them.
Sorry, I didn't understand what you are saying.
Sir, what is x2 square minus x2 square by 2
See,
equal to?
here is, this is x2 square, right? है
Yeah.
ना? And to change it in the form of a plus b whole square, I am doing it because when you will see here, it is a square. See here, 2 into a into b, right? है ना? The formula of a is my a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square na. Here we get a square. Here we
No, sir,
get
like what we are
2ab.
doing, like if you take the want x2 square by 2
Yes, yes, I got
minus,
it. You want to understand ki why I am doing like this, na?
no, sir, no, it's coming out as 0, not x2 square, x2 square.
Listen, I have to change it in the form of a plus b whole square, right? है ना?
Yeah.
So here
Yeah, but
we will
if you go like backwards, it will,
listen.
it
Listen
won't come
first.
as
First, listen, Nakshad. What I am
okay.
saying. First, listen it. Okay.
Hmm.
First, let me solve it. Okay. After that, if there will be any doubt, then tell me. Okay, na?
Okay. Hmm.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Ha. So first, let me solve it. Okay.
Hmm.
See. So here I have added x2 square by 2 and again subtracted x2 square by 2. Okay,
Hmm.
after that plus now this x2 square, x2 square, so it will be 0, right? है ना,
Yeah.
this part. Now let's see here, this is a square, now 2 into a into b plus, and this is b square. So this whole part, can we write it like this, x1 plus x2 whole square? Can we write it like this,
Yeah.
x1 plus x2 by 2 whole square? Okay, because our b is
Okay.
x2 by 2 na, x2 square by
Hmm.
2, right? This is
Yeah.
b square. So in the place of b we can write x2 by 2, and here
Hmm.
it will be minus x2 square
Two.
by 2 plus x2 square, right, is equal to 0. Or
Hmm.
any doubt?
No doubt.
No. Now let's see here. Hmm. Acha, wait. Take it as whole square, है ना? Then we can do it in the form of b. Whole square, okay?
Yeah.
Now our b will be x2 by 2. Is it clear? Our b
Yeah.
will be
Clear.
x2 by 2, है ना? Then it will be b square like, है ना? Okay?
Yeah.
So here it will be x2 by 2 whole square, right?
Yeah.
है ना? And plus x2 square. Is it clear? Any doubt
Hmm.
till here?
No doubt.
No. Now let's see here. Just wait a minute. See here. So this part we can write it like this, x1 plus x2 by 2 whole square, right? And this part
Hmm.
we will take in the right side, okay? So it will be
Okay.
x2 by 2 whole square minus
Hmm.
x2 square, right?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Hmm.
Hmm. Now it will be, see here, x1 plus x2 whole square, this will be x2 square by 4 minus x2 square, right? Is there any
Hmm.
doubt here?
No,
Here
sir.
I have a square for the numerator and denominator, है ना, both one.
Hmm.
So this will be like this कि x1 plus x2 whole square is equal to, now take the LCM, 4, and here x2 square minus 4x2 square, right?
Hmm.
So it will be x1 plus x2 whole square is equal to, it will be minus 3x2 square by 4, right?
Hmm.
And take it as x1 plus x2 equal to, can we write like is this, root under minus x2 square by 4? We can write it like this na,
Yeah. It will be
है
root
ना?
over minus 3x.
This square I change here in the right side, okay?
Yeah.
So it will become root, or you can say that ki taking root under both side, taking root under both side, है ना? So in the left
Yeah.
side the square and root under it will be cancelled, in the
Hmm.
right side it will become root under, है ना? Now
Hmm.
this one we can write it like as x1 equal to, sorry, here it is x2 by 2 na, wait, x2 by 2 here in everyone, है ना, x2 by 2, okay?
Hmm.
That is the b, x2 by 2, okay? So it
Okay.
will be x1 minus equal to x2 by 2 plus root under minus 3x square by 4, right?
Hmm.
है ना? And this one can
Hmm.
be written as in the above. What we can write? See here. This one can be written as root under minus 3x2 square by root under 4, right? And this one can be
Yeah.
written as root under minus 3 into root under x2 square by root under 4 means 2, right?
Hmm.
And this one can be written as root under minus 1 into root under 3 into x2 square under root means x2 by 2, right?
Hmm.
Hana? And
Yeah.
here as we know that root under minus 1 means iota, the imaginary one. Hana?
Hmm.
So this part can be written as root under 3 x2 square by 2 into iota. Can we write like this?
Yeah.
है ना? So this part we can write it here as x1 equal to minus x2 by 2 plus root under 2 by 3 x2 into iota. We can write like this now,
Yeah.
right? Or any doubt?
Hmm.
Now
Sir,
as
how
you
do you
can
get
see,
-2?
what?
How do you get -2?
Where it is minus
Root
2?
over -2?
Where it is minus 2?
Like that root over -2, and now it's root -2 equal to iota.
Here it is root under minus 1, not 2.
Sir, oh, -1 it is.
Yes. Root under minus 3 can be written as na root under minus 1 into root under 3.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
है ना? I have breaked it. And this
Okay.
part is doesn't belongs to n, right? This
Hmm.
part is doesn't belongs to n. है ना? This here this is the rough part our, okay? This is the
Hmm.
explanation for this one, okay? That how we get root under 3 by 2 x square into I, okay? This is the
Okay.
explanation. Is it clear?
Clear.
So this one is doesn't belongs to n, right? So it is not possible. It is not possible. Then we go with this part only, है ना? This
Okay.
part, which part we have already proved कि it is injective, okay? So for injective we have proved it, okay? Is it clear?
Hmm.
Now we have to do for surjective. Now we will do for surjective, okay? So for surjective we will do in the same way, right?
Hmm.
है ना? We will
Yeah.
do in the same way, okay? How? So here we will write कि for surjective, for surjective, okay? Let's see how we will do.
Okay.
कि we will let y equal to fx, right? Y equal to fx. Since
FX.
fx is equal to x cube, right? So here we
Yeah.
can write it like this na, x y equal to, in the place of fx we will write x cube, right?
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
this part we can write it as x equal to root under cube root of y, है ना? What
Hmm.
we can write? Cube root of y, right? Or this one also can be written as y to the power 1 by 3, right? है ना?
Yeah.
Now let y equal to 2 which belongs to n, है ना? Which belongs to our set,
Yeah.
right? But
Yeah.
or here you can write then x equal to, what we can write, x will be cube root of 2, है ना?
Hmm.
That is 2 to the power 1 by 3, which doesn't belongs to n, है ना? Which
Hmm.
doesn't belongs to n, right? Okay, so therefore it is
Hmm.
not surjective.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear
Hmm.
or any doubt?
Yeah. No
So
doubt,
in
sir.
this way we have to solve this question. Now let's see here, I am summarizing it, okay? Once again I am summarizing it. So see here how we will do it.
Okay.
Hmm. This is the question. The function belongs to n है ना? Mean we have
Hmm.
two set. Okay. The set
Okay.
x and the set y. Okay. This is the set
Okay.
x and this is the set y. Both
Hmm.
belongs with the natural number. The elements are
Okay.
natural number है ना? 1 2
Hmm.
3 4 dot 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 like this. 1 2 3 4 5 dot 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 like this. Okay. So here we have to
Okay.
prove for injective. We will take two elements x1 and x2 which belongs to n, which belongs to these two sets है ना? So here the
Hmm.
function is given, that is x cube equal to x cube, right?
Yeah.
है ना? Now
Hmm.
we will let x1 is equal to function of x2. So here it will be x1 cube is equal to x2 cube, right? This one we
Yeah.
can write it as x1 cube minus x2 cube equal to 0, है ना? The
Hmm.
x2 cube which is in the left I have taken it in the, which is in the right I have taken it in the left. Okay, so it's become in the form of a cube minus b cube, है ना? So I
Hmm.
applied this formula. Okay, when we applied this formula we will get it as x1 minus x2 multiply x1 square plus x2 into x1 into x2 plus x2 square, right? This
Hmm.
part we will solve in the one side and this part we will solve in the another side. Okay, so this part, the
Ah.
first part will be x1 minus x2 equal to 0, which will be x1 equal to x2, right? Here therefore we can say that function of x1 is equal to function of x2, है ना? So
Hmm.
x1 is equal to x2, it's mean it is injective. Now we have to check for the second part. Now as you can see here, the second part is x1 square plus x1 into x2 plus x2 square is 0, है ना? As you can
Hmm.
see here, the highest power is 2 above x1 and x2, right? So we will try to solve it in the quadratic equation. ठीक है? Is it clear?
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
here we can do it at x square plus, here I have in this part I have multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. So it will be 2 into x1 into x2 by 2, right? है ना?
Hmm.
As here when you will
Hmm.
compare with it the formula it will become like it, a square plus 2 a and b. So here as you can see the b is x2 by 2 and in the next part we need b square na. So we first add b and multiply b so that there will be no changes in the result, right? है ना?
Hmm.
When we will add 3 in 4 and subtract 3 again, then the result will be 4 already na.
Yeah.
It will not affect
So
the result na.
when you were writing this, you did not include the plus x square, x2 square.
Where I didn't write it.
Like when you were explaining till the x square by 2 whole square, I thought you added by 2 and didn't include.
Acha, for now it is clear na.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, let's see here. So here our b will be, so we need the b. We need the b which will be x2 by 2, right? By
Hmm.
by seeing this part, we can say that ki we need b x2 by 2, right? So here once we add it and once we subtract it, okay?
Okay.
So it will be x1 x2 by 2 whole square minus x2 by 2 whole square, okay? That will be our b square and here we
Hmm.
write x2 square as it is plus x2 square is equal to 0. Okay,
Hmm.
now this part will be a square plus 2ab plus b square, which will be a plus b whole square, right? है ना?
Hmm.
Here in the side you can write कि since a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this
Hmm.
one. Is it clear? So
Yeah,
I
clear.
have written it in this form and I have written this minus this one minus x2 by 2 whole square and plus x2 square, this one. Okay, it will be
Hmm.
0. Now I take this 2 term in the right side, so it will be minus x2 square, x2 by 2 whole square minus minus x2 square है ना. Now I open the bracket, this bracket, so it will be x2 square by 4 minus x2 square. After that I take the LCM and then solve it, okay? Then this square I take in the right side, the left one. This square I take in the right side, so it will become root under minus 3x2 x2 square by 4. Or you can say that ki taking root under in both side, है ना?
Okay.
Taking root under both sides. So in the left side it will be cancel because here it's already square, है ना? Now it will be this part I take in the right side, so it will be minus x2 by 2, and this part we can solve like this. I have already explained here, है ना? So this will be minus x2 by 2 plus root under 3 by 2 x2 into I. I means iota. Here I is the iota, है ना? Which is the imaginary part. So this whole part will not belongs in n, na? So this is not possible, okay? It's mean we can say that ki here the two part which we solved. The first one is this part which is injective and the second part is not possible, okay? Now we will check for surjective. For surjective, as always, we consider y equal to fx. Here fx is equal to x cube. So in the place of fx, we will write x cube. So the x will be written as cube root of y, है ना? It will be y equal to 1 by 3. When we will let y equal to 2, which belongs to n, then x equal to cube root of 3, which is 2 to the power 1 by 3, which doesn't belongs to n, na? Natural number, the set of natural number. So that's why it is not surjective. Is it clear? So here we have done it. Okay. Now please note down it.